When a stroke occurs, it can feel like a part of your life has been abruptly taken away, but at the heart of our practice is a powerful truth. The human spirit is resilient, and with the right approach, recovery is not just possible, it's achievable. Occupational therapy offers a pathway back, not just to movement, but to a life filled with meaning and independence. We don't just see the challenges, we see the person behind them and the potential for a new beginning. One of the most effective techniques we use is called constraint-induced movement therapy, or CIMT. This method is all about encouraging the brain to pay attention to the affected side of the body. After a stroke, it's natural to rely on the stronger, unaffected limb, but this can lead to what we call learned non-use, where the brain essentially gives up on the weaker side. With CIMT, we gently restrain the unaffected arm. As you can see with Michael here, this encourages him to use his stroke-affected arm for everyday tasks, like picking up a cup. It's a challenging process, but this focused, repetitive practice is crucial for rebuilding neural pathways and restoring function, turning initial frustration into foundational progress. The brain's ability to adapt, known as neuroplasticity, is the cornerstone of stroke rehabilitation. We harness this power through innovative techniques like mirror therapy. Here, Sarah is using a mirror box. Her affected hand is placed inside, out of sight, while she watches the reflection of her unaffected hand moving. This creates a powerful visual illusion, tricking her brain into believing the affected hand is moving normally. This process can reduce pain and improve motor control by reactivating dormant areas of the brain. We then combine this with task-specific training. For Sarah, that means meticulously practicing a meaningful activity like buttoning her shirt. This isn't just a random exercise, it's a real-world goal, breaking down a complex task into manageable steps to retrain the specific muscles and cognitive processes required to master it. Regaining independence is about more than just movement. It's about reclaiming your role in your own life. This is where adaptive equipment and cognitive rehabilitation become essential. For David, who loves to cook, we've introduced tools like a specialized cutting board and a rocker knife. These devices compensate for diminished strength or coordination, allowing him to safely and confidently prepare his own meals. This isn't a shortcut, it's a bridge to autonomy. At the same time, we address the cognitive impacts of a stroke. Activities like memory matching games or organizational tasks help sharpen focus, memory, and problem-solving skills, which are just as vital as physical strength for navigating daily life. What we do here is more than just therapy. It's a partnership in resilience. Witnessing Michael finally take a sip from his cup, seeing the proud smile on Sarah's face as she fastens that last button, and watching David enjoy a meal he prepared himself. These are the moments that define recovery. A stroke may change your life, but it does not have to define it. Through targeted, compassionate occupational therapy, we can rebuild, retrain, and help you regain the independence you deserve. The journey back starts here.